Now, if you're a regular customer like me at Lowe's, you've probably gotten one of these emails indicating you've got $5 waiting for you. The trick is, how do you use it? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you use the $5 that's sitting in your wallet. It all starts right here in View in My Wallet. The application will prompt you to sign into your account, or to create one. Then, of course, it's going to want to verify that it's really you, by having you enter your password or having it send you a one-time code. Now, if you're like me, you're probably going to have them send you a one-time code because I can't ever remember all the different passwords I have to keep track of. The screen will open up and it'll give you the option to enter the code that was emailed to you. So you check your email, bring that number over here. So now you have access to your wallet and you can see what's there as far as your Lowe's money. So just click on Scan Barcode and you are going to be good to go. Now there is just one other little issue here, and I want to point this out. You go to use this barcode, it's going to ask you for a PIN number. Do you see where it says Show PIN? You want to click on that, and then you'll get to see your PIN. Now you're all set to scan that barcode, and then the computer's going to ask you at the terminal, what's the PIN number? You enter the PIN, and your discount will be applied to your total. Now there is one other little thing here. If you're a veteran, you want to do your veteran's discount first. So before you go through this process, make sure you use your phone number and get into the system, get your veteran's discount, and then process this. Now before you go anywhere, I want to give a special thanks to the customer service rep who helped me walk through this process so that I could share it with you. His name's Dale. This guy always has a smile on his face, and he's always a great help at checkout. No matter what the problem is, the guy always has the best attitude. And I just want to say thank you, Dale, for helping me figure out this process so that I can share it with others. Now, if you got anything out of the video, I certainly hope you'll take the time to give me that big thumbs up, hit the alert button, subscribe, see the other things that are going on. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.